11 must-know tips to survive long-haul economy flights in 2025. 12 hours in economy doesn't have to feel like prison. Most travelers suffer because they don't know these insider secrets that frequent flyers use to turn economy into something actually bearable. I'm revealing the booking hacks, seat strategies, and game-changing items that make all the difference. Stick around for tip 11 because that aisle seat you think you want might actually ruin your entire flight. Number 1. Order a special meal and skip the line. This is pure genius and almost nobody does it. When booking your flight, select any special meal option: vegetarian, gluten-free, kosher, halal, whatever works for you. Here's why this matters. Special meals get served first every single time. While everyone else waits hungry and cranky, you're already eating hot food and can finish before the bathroom rush starts. The meals are usually better quality too, since they're prepared separately. And if you forgot to book one, call the airline 48 hours before departure. They can usually add it to your reservation. This simple hack turns meal service from a chaotic cattle call into your personal first-class moment. Number 2. Pack one item that does 3 jobs. Space is everything in economy, so every item needs to earn its place. Bring a wide-mouth insulated thermos instead of a regular water bottle. This game changer keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, holds more liquid than those tiny airplane cups, and saves you when your seatmate traps you from the drink cart for 6 hours. You can ask flight attendants for hot water to make tea, soup, or oatmeal mid-flight. No more surviving on stale crackers at 35,000 feet. And if you spill coffee on turbulence, the wide mouth makes cleaning easier than those narrow sports bottles that become projectiles. Number 3. Use Seat Guru before you suffer. Most people pick seats blindly and pay for it later. Go to seatguru.com and enter your exact flight number. This free tool shows you the real seat map of your specific aircraft and flags every problem seat. You'll see which seats don't recline, have broken entertainment screens, sit too close to bathrooms, or lack power outlets. It even shows you where the galleys and lavatories are located. That perfect window seat you're eyeing might be right between 2 bathrooms with a broken screen and no power. Know before you go. Number 4. Embrace the back row advantage. Everyone scrambles for front seats, but the back row is often your secret weapon for long-haul flights. You can recline without guilt since nobody's behind you. It's usually the last section to fill up, so you might score an empty middle seat, and you're near the galley for easy snack access. Yes, you'll hear galley noise, but you'll also avoid the constant parade of passengers heading to bathrooms. The back row is quiet, out of the way, and gives you permission to recline fully without dirty looks. Don't let pride keep you from comfort. Number 5. Build your underseat survival kit. This prevents the awkward dance of climbing over people to dig through overhead bins. Before boarding, pack a small bag with everything you'll need during flight: phone charger, headphones, snacks, lip balm, eye mask, hand sanitizer, and medications. Keep this bag under the seat in front of you, not in the overhead compartment. When you need something, you grab it quietly without asking 3 strangers to move. This small preparation step eliminates 90% of mid-flight frustration. Number 6. Dress for a 12-hour endurance event, not Instagram. Jeans and long flights are enemies. Your waistband will feel like a torture device after hour 4. Go for layers. Merino wool base, comfortable pants with elastic waists, and a hoodie that doubles as a pillow. And yes, compression socks. They're not fashionable, but neither are ankles swollen like balloons. Compression socks improve circulation, reduce clot risk, and make you feel human when you land. Wear your heaviest shoes and jacket on the plane to save luggage space. then change into comfort mode after takeoff. Number 7. Master the visible seatbelt trick. You finally fall asleep, then tap tap, flight attendant checking your seatbelt during turbulence. Avoid this nightmare by always buckling your seatbelt over your blanket, never under it. When the seatbelt sign comes on, crew can see you're properly secured and won't wake you up. During overnight flights, this simple trick can mean the difference between getting rest and spending 12 hours as a sleep-deprived zombie. Number 8. Turn your tray table into personal entertainment center. Holding your phone for 10 hours isn't happening. Use what's available to create hands-free viewing. Sunglasses make perfect phone stands, or use the air sickness bag as a phone holder by wedging it in your phone case and hooking it over the tray. A pop socket on your phone back props it perfectly on the tray table. Or bring a small flexible phone stand that bends to any angle. Your neck will thank you after hour 8 when everyone else is hunched over their screens like question marks. Number 9. Never assume your seat has power. Even in 2025, economy power is hit or miss. Some planes have USB-A ports, some have full outlets, some have absolutely nothing. Even when outlets exist, there might be 2 plugs for 3 seats. Bring both USB-A and USB-C cables plus a small power bank. Check your specific aircraft on Seat Guru to see power availability. Nothing ruins a 12-hour flight like your phone dying during the season finale while you're trapped in a middle seat. Number 10. Skip the free alcohol trap. That complimentary wine hits differently at 35,000 feet. Alcohol dehydrates you faster at altitude and disrupts your sleep cycles. One drink that's fine on the ground can leave you groggy, headachy, and feeling terrible when you land. Stick to water, herbal tea, or electrolyte supplements you packed. Save the celebratory drink for your hotel when you've actually survived the journey. Your body will thank you when you're navigating a new country instead of shuffling through customs like a zombie. Number 11. Not all aisle seats are equal, and this changes everything. You scored that aisle seat and feel victorious until your window passenger wakes you up 6 times, climbing over you for bathroom breaks. Here's the secret most travelers miss. On wide-body planes with multiple aisles, choose the aisle seat in the middle section, not the outer edge. Now your seatmate has 2 ways out, left or right. When they need the bathroom, they might go the opposite direction, meaning you stay asleep. It's a subtle strategy that can mean the difference between arriving rested or arriving wrecked. Bonus tip: create your pre-landing refresh routine. Pack a small freshen-up kit with travel toothbrush, face wipes, lip balm, and moisturizer. Use it during the last hour of flight when everyone else is waking up groggy and disheveled. Airplane air is drier than the desert. A quick refresh makes you look and feel like you slept, even if you didn't. Whether you're heading to meetings, hotels, or just surviving immigration lines, you'll arrive looking like you flew business class. These 11 strategies transform long-haul economy from survival mode to actually manageable travel. The key is preparation and knowing what most passengers never figure out. Try these techniques on your next flight and see how different the experience becomes. Which tip surprised you most? Drop it in the comments below. And if this helped you rethink your approach to economy flying, hit that subscribe button for more travel strategies that actually work. Your next long-haul flight doesn't have to be misery. Now you know how to make it bearable.